Ask Kyle Nieuwland of Ponoka, Alberta, why he recommends WinterCheck for his Krone balers.
Every fall, I send my balers to Noble Equipment in Ponoka so that they can do their winter inspection, and then they send me an email out of what all needs to get done. And then for most of the main stuff, I let the technicians do that, but the smaller stuff I like to do myself. I see it as the WinterCheck, so that WinterCheck get things going, just so that when it's in season, I prevent breakdowns basically, because that's a huge frustration if you do break down and it's something you can prevent. That's a total waste of time, and it just drives me crazy. You can bring it in and the dealership can fix it and look over everything because they know what they're doing, so leave it to the experts, I guess, to make it all work.
Schedule your WinterCheck with your Krone dealer today.